Sí.
Un saludo especial para la gente hermosa de Canadá.
Muchas gracias.
Desde Cali, Colombia. Allá está haciendo frío, aquí no. A toda la gente beautiful de Canadá. You people, I love you forever. And you're from Colombia. Hey, bye bye.
The ocean breeze is saying Colombia, that's the life. No, es más difícil de sembrar como
There's a fairly decent view of the mountains over there from the, I think they call this the terminal, where I'll be taking the bus tomorrow morning to Bogota. And then they have this, one of those workout areas. Doesn't look like it's too popular though. Kind of looks muddy and gross. And right near the terminal is what they're calling the stadium. That's a huge soccer pitch. Is that the ice cream man I hear? I'm guessing he's selling ice cream. I'm on the outskirts of town here looking for a nice view. I think I just found one. Just looking for a nice clear spot though. Yeah, not a bad view. Just exploring the Tules, trying to find another nice view. It's the big mountains over there again. Keep wandering a bit more. Well, it appears I've reached the end of the road here. Got a bunch of dogs that are kind of barking and coming at me too, which seems to happen an awful lot down in this country. Usually they don't bite. Sometimes they'll take little nips though. Here's Big Frankie. How's it going, Big Frankie? Oh, not bad. So literally right here, it seems like it's the edge of town where there's homes and then suddenly big open fields. And I'm just exploring, enjoying a nature walk, at least a little bit. And this is the opposite end of town from the hot springs. Not sure where this road leads to, but it's actually a main road that goes to some other small towns. It can be so peaceful on the road, and then all of a sudden a bunch of vehicles come along and noisy motorcycles. I told myself I was gonna keep walking until I found one more nice view. And this is it right here. Beautiful rolling hills. Getting more out in the farmlands here. Guessing there must be a river down in the valley right in the middle of the screen somewhere thereabouts. This will give you an idea how far I've walked. Somewhat. You can see the town right there. As is so often the case, I lied. I went a little bit further. So it looked like there's going to be another nice view, which there is. Let me zoom in here. Is that another tiny little town right there? Probably not. Another nice spot though. Not an unobscured view, but you can kind of get a sense for how beautiful it is down there. Different shades of green and everything. And now I am in fact heading back towards town, probably about 2 kilometers from the edge of town at this point. I decided to take a walk up a dirt road that's going up the mountain. Now we're talking. Now we got some really nice views here. And it looks like if I keep going a little bit more, there might be some decent views of a kind of a cool rock formation. Still going up. I think there's a resort up here. Yeah, doesn't look like I'll be able to go any further. This is the resort up here. Now that, oh, maybe the road continues. Yes, no. Oh, I think it does. Wow, what a nice spot. Don't know how much of a view they have. This is a stunning spot to have a resort. At the moment, I can't hear any loud stereos or anything. It's pretty unusual. This is it. This is the end of the road right here. It leads to the, I guess it isn't really so much a resort as it is a finca. Certainly a great spot though, yeah. It's got to always be a yappy dog. It's hard to get away from that. Yeah, the rock formation I was talking about is right in the middle there, but isn't as nice as I was thinking it might be. It's funny, you've got these tiny little old homes mixed amongst the fincas and resorts. Probably cost him next to nothing. However many years ago he bought the land, then he's got this $1 million view with resorts that have built up around him, which is also quite common in Colombia. Is that the place where I was just at? Can't remember. I'm gonna look it up just for fun though. GB? It's a strange name for a hotel or finca. Trucks that are just driving all throughout the night that wake me up in the middle of the morning. Sometimes it's complete silence for 5 to 15 minutes, and then one of those things will go by and they're squeaky brakes and it wakes me up. But it's literally all night they're transporting stuff, I guess. And for some strange reason they're all that size of truck. I guess it's because the roads are so narrow up in this area. Kids get pretty excited when they score a point. About as exciting as it gets for little kids. So it's a little stadium. Just bought some fruits at this little market here. Kind of seems like this is a little bit of a shady block for some reason. It's now Saturday morning here in Choachi, and looks like they have a Saturday market right by the cathedral here. It's about 9:30. People are still just setting up though. I guess they have a monkery here somewhere in Choachi. You see lots of nuns in Colombia, but not so many. I'm gonna go with the word monks, like they're dressed up. See that all the time too. People selling stuff right out of the back of their car. Which I think is kind of cool.